Mm. Okay, so I think we're almost done. Let's go and bring in our pictures. Upload media. Come on. Go to select all three. PG1, PG remove 2, PG remove 3, and allow us import all three pictures. This is the next most important thing to really get right when you're working with design pictures. So let's zoom in, right? Let's zoom in. And let's start with lesson 1. You just need this region of their face, not the entire thing. So once you start with cutting, you want to just move this from the edge of the sideways, apply, nicely done. You need the same with this top, edge, okay. Need to crop some more at the variable, and then this crop these pictures are very terrible. Apply, okay, and these are passed to eye, just in the center as we change this post, and we have any one of them can be any. So let's first work. Okay, let's work on this guy. His face is already okay. I think it's too big. Now we have gotten into right. Just need to go back to curve and stretch this thing down a bit. Okay. I think he got what we're trying to achieve. Let's just continue to stretch both ways. Continue to stretch both ways and oh shit. Okay. It is back, right? Okay. So I'm still coming back to fine tuning. Let's just get a picture of everyone, right? I'm going to pass the picture again, copy on both sides. I'll just mention it down fast. So go to crop, move it down here, come back here, come here. So voila. Okay, so okay. Uh, just went by a lot. Okay. So, there's no this guy. This guy is. Oh my god. Okay. So, I want to do this. First of all, the way he's faced. We're going to mirror the picture so he's facing the other way. Instead of the way he's facing. This is better. Is it? I think the original way is better. Let's take that to the crop. Go to venue. Down maybe. And see. Oh, okay. And then now it's time to use this tool called adjustment tool. I'm going to increase the contrast to 4, 54, increase the vibrance to 54, increase the saturation to 54. Same here. And then this 54, 54. Okay. Alright, so now next thing is to then see much and to up a bit more. So let's go from okay. Nice. Now we send it backward enough. 1, 2, so the hair. So even the flare is only the flare, including these two. Okay, and then this. Okay. So this is it. This is the final design. I have something to send to Pastor, and hopefully Pastor is going to be happy with the design. If this feels a little bit too much, you can always delete all of this and try a different boxing approach. I think it feels a little bit too much for my eyes. Sorry. I'll try a different boxing approach. Expand the table so that when I say Friday, I'll say Friday to Sunday. Which is it. Further. We say 24th, 24th to 26th. Visiting same May. I just this is right. Okay. So the name